Toyota's advanced voice command system transforms how drivers interact with their vehicles. This technology enables hands-free control of essential vehicle functions through simple voice commands. The system activates with the wake phrase, "Hey Toyota," on all compatible models. Select models also support OK Toyota as an alternative. Drivers can also use the voice button on the steering wheel as a backup activation method. Toyota uses a sophisticated dual processing system. Basic commands are processed locally on the device for immediate response, typically within 1.2 seconds. Complex queries utilize cloud-based processing for enhanced accuracy and natural language understanding. The system supports 4 primary function categories. Navigation commands achieve 94% accuracy for destination input and route planning. Climate control reaches 89% accuracy for temperature and airflow adjustments. Entertainment control maintains 91% accuracy for music and radio functions. Vehicle information provides real-time access to fuel economy and maintenance alerts. Safety remains Toyota's primary focus in voice command design. The system reduces manual device interaction by 31%, decreases eyes-off road time by 18%, and contributes to 12% fewer distraction-related incidents. Commands are intelligently filtered while driving to prevent unsafe operations, keeping drivers' hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Toyota's voice command system represents a comprehensive approach to automotive technology, balancing advanced functionality with unwavering commitment to driver safety and ease of use. To use Hey Toyota voice commands effectively, proper speaking technique is essential. Speak clearly and naturally, as if talking to a person. The system supports 4 main command categories. Navigation commands help you get directions, communication handles calls and texts, entertainment controls your media, and vehicle controls adjust your car's settings. Here are specific command examples for each category. For navigation, use complete addresses or specific point names. For entertainment, mention exact station names or streaming services. Be specific to get the best results. The system continuously learns from your usage patterns and preferences. Over time, accuracy rates improve significantly. Navigation commands achieve 94% accuracy, while entertainment and climate controls reach over 90% success rates. For optimal performance, ensure you have an active data connection for cloud-based features. The system works best in quiet environments, as background noise can reduce accuracy. Some advanced features may require premium trim levels or optional packages.